Solar energy has transformed the way Australians power their homes. But what if the way you earn from your solar could become smarter and more flexible and even more profitable? So welcome to the future of solar feed-in tariffs. Hi, my name's Troy, and today we're talking about the exciting new direction for solar feed-in tariffs, also known as FITs, here in Australia, and how they can put even more money back into your pocket. But currently, if you have rooftop solar, you are likely benefiting from the traditional feed-in tariff. This is where you're paid a fixed rate for the excess energy your panels produce and send back to the grid. Simple, right? But the future holds something even better. Cloud feed-in tariffs. This concept could completely change the way you earn from your solar. Unlike traditional feed-in tariffs, cloud feed-in tariffs use advanced technologies like real-time data, cloud computing, and smart grids to offer dynamic pricing. That means you can sell your solar energy when demand and prices are highest, potentially earning more than the static rates we see today. Imagine being able to track when energy prices spike and choosing the best time to export your power for maximum returns. But it doesn't stop there. With cloud feed-in tariffs, you can also engage in peer-to-peer energy trading. This means you can sell your excess energy directly to other homes or businesses rather than just the grid. It's like turning your home into a mini solar business where you have control over when and how and to whom you sell your energy. And if you have a battery system, cloud feed-in tariff becomes even more powerful. You can store energy and choose when to export it for the highest value, making your system more efficient and cost-effective. So how does this benefit you? Well, in short, more flexibility and higher earning potential. As Australia moves towards a smarter, greener energy grid, cloud feed-in tariffs could mean bigger savings on your energy bills and better returns on your solar investment. The future of solar in Australia is bright, and cloud feed-in tariffs are set to help make the most of it. So if you're thinking about going solar, or already have, stay tuned for these exciting changes. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on how to power your home with the sun.